Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. Earning $200 per week through freelancing is achievable with consistent effort and by following these steps. 1. Identify your skills. Determine the skills you possess that are in demand in the freelancing market. Examples include writing, graphic design, programming, social media management, virtual assistance, or translation. Focus on areas where you have expertise or are willing to invest time to develop your skills. 2. Set competitive rates. Research the market rates for freelancers in your field and set your rates accordingly. In the beginning, it may be necessary to offer slightly lower rates to attract clients and build your reputation. As you gain experience and positive feedback, you can gradually increase your rates. 3. Create a compelling profile. Build a professional profile on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, or Guru. Highlight your skills, experience, and achievements. Include a portfolio showcasing your best work samples to demonstrate your capabilities to potential clients. 4. Search for suitable projects. Browse through the job listings on freelancing platforms and identify projects that match your skills and interests. Filter the listings based on your desired rate and the type of work you are looking for. Submit well-crafted proposals that directly address the client's requirements and explain how you can add value to their project. 5. Expand your client network. Apart from freelancing platforms, actively seek out clients through social media, professional networks, or by reaching out to businesses directly. Networking and making connections can lead to long-term clients and referrals. 6. Deliver high-quality work. Ensure that you consistently deliver high-quality work that meets or exceeds your clients' expectations. This will help you build a strong reputation and increase your chances of securing repeat business or receiving positive reviews. 7. Efficient time management. Manage your time effectively to maximize your productivity. Set realistic deadlines for your projects and create a schedule to ensure you allocate sufficient time for client work, proposals, and self-promotion. 8. Seek long-term projects or retainers. Look for clients who require ongoing work or are open to long-term collaborations. Retainer agreements or recurring projects can provide a steady stream of income and minimize the time spent searching for new projects each week. 9. Upsell additional services. Offer additional services or packages to your clients that complement your core freelancing work. For example, if you are a content writer, you can provide SEO optimization or social media promotion as add-ons. This can help increase your earnings per project. 10. Continuously improve your skills, stay updated with industry trends, learn new tools or technologies, and invest time in expanding your skill set. This will allow you to offer a wider range of services and attract higher-paying clients. Remember, building a successful freelancing career takes time and dedication. It may take some time to establish yourself and secure consistent clients, but by delivering high-quality work, continuously improving your skills, and actively seeking opportunities, you can gradually increase your earnings to reach your goal of $200 per week. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.